you guys, we're back here. So a lot of stuff to do. I'm already super tired, so we're gonna start it. I will show you everything. So this is a floor to firewall panel, but the thing is they make this slip the other side, so I'm going to cut this and weld this with the torque box, and we'll see. I think I show you all this stuff that we weld the torque box or fix this rust spot here. We're going to weld the pipes here from here to here, then like case type of thing, then from this side to maybe the shock tower. Well, let's see how it will go. And here we are. So I leave this area intentionally because when I was welding the other pan I was so confused, maybe I was doing wrong or right. So right now I put the pan, match this hole with the upper pan, and like made a line for the alignment. So now I'm going to throw some weld through primer here, then I'm going to put the pan again and line again, then I'm going to leave inches under this, and then I'm going to cut the other metal so we have exactly where it needs to go. And what else? I think this is everything for now. And for this side I will going to weld this area, and here I'm going to sand it because I'm not going to put anything on this. I put the other side but not on this side because the other side already twisted outwards, I can say, because even after putting the 18 gauge here the pan was still like fit nicely, but this side I don't have that much space. Okay, I'll show you what it is. So we are going to use this paint here, old cans of 2K epoxy primer, and then this one. No, this is nowhere to put this. Yeah, this is the one. It's a black paint. I don't know from how long it's sitting. Matte black just going to throw around here. First we are going to tape all these areas where we don't want the paint, because we don't need to put welds here. Yeah, so we need to make this like weird kind of angle cut because of the metal we welded here. So let's go. I hope it's going to fit. Settle. Right. So going to make a release cut. Shit. Here. And here properly. Need to make all these release cuts. I'm going to trim a little bit, maybe like this way. And then going to this and this side as well. Everything else looks fine. So over there, first I cut this area because we already have that panel to that point, but then I have a problem. I'll show you. Because if I'm installing this in a one piece, maybe some reason this thing is not in the level or whatever, the panel was not touching here, so it was like probably like ½ inches gap. So what I did, I'm going to install this in two pieces. One goes up to this point like this, it just sits right there. I made this cut because when I was cutting and marking all this stuff, I didn't check on the other side that it's not touching. I made like a little bigger this thing. So going to weld a piece here. You can always weld a metal. And then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put this piece over here, so like good to go. So let's go. Just I'm going to weld the piece over there, and then we'll see what else we have to do. Okay. This is the reason I weld the firewall portion first on the other side. I don't know why I didn't find any other way, and I just start welding the front floor pan first. No, it's really hard to reach here to crawl under it because you have a helmet on and the things are hitting your hands, face, everywhere. And then, let's see. Hold on here. You guys, well, the floor pan. I didn't record much because I'm super tired while working on car, while working full time. So I even make this patch panel here. You don't need to. It just it feels like I will make it, so we did it. Otherwise, you don't need it. There is a torque box with a heavy metal behind it. If it's rusted, then change it. Otherwise, you don't need to. Now I'm going to fit the the seat bracket, and then I will show you guys. So I don't have any helper with me, so that's how I try to like make the battle flat there, because I can't able to reach with my both hands there. So I don't have any helper with me, so that's how I try to like make the battle flat there, because I can't able to reach with my both hands there. So now see that corner, it was not like going against the firewall nicely, so made a release cut there and just hammer it. So going to like weld a piece of metal from this extra panel in between there. I'm going to weld it there. I think everything else we are good there. I'm not going to weld this side yet, because I was thinking to change this piece of metal. Let's see what I do. I can weld from the outside, so I was going to leave it like that for now. Okay. So guys, this is a transmission tunnel. So we're going to put some welds here. This is how I put that jack stand under here, just like so that it start touching here, because it's just like bent towards the bottom. Maybe I was sitting there, or just cause there is nothing to hold it in between. So now once we weld it, it's going to stay in the place. Yeah. So how am I going to start welding now? Hello. So it looks like it's just twisted this way a little bit. I don't know if it's a panel or the seat bracket. A little bit goes to the even other side fit nicely, but this side is just too tight in between. I don't know why. This is from a 70 Mustang, because I want to lower the seats. So that's the reason I'm using these brackets. Also, check what's up. So I measure this with the other side. It's just perfect. So we will start welding now. Dia,